The map, it's changing.
What do you mean?
What's it say?
Okay, well, there's not a lot of information, but a minute ago, it didn't say this, and now it does. It says, the mighty roar.
I don't like that. I'm done.
What else?
Okay, and right here, it says, from the deep.
The hippo came from the deep. The one that...
Yes, the thing that did the thing. That's it. Moving on.
So if from the deep is the first level, then the mighty roar must be the second level. Which way?
Okay. If that is that, then that is here. Right here, I think.
What is this game?
Run! Wait!
Come on, Legs! Why am I running so slow? Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God! This sucks! Come on!
Those guys have huge guns!
Oh, really? Is that what those are, Spencer?
Let me see your backpack.
For what?
Inside your backpack, you have my weapons. Oh, get down.
Got your weapons. Feel no. What's this?
Oh, yes. Boomerang. It's one of my strengths.
What are you gonna do with it?
I don't know. Kill him, I guess.
You gonna kill him with that?
You got a better idea? Oh, shoot. Watch this.
Nice work. You want me to reach in here and see if I got a hack it fast for you to throw and do absolutely nothing with? Oh, wait. Oh, no.
It worked! Here they come. We gotta go.
I can't outrun those guys.
We gotta go now. Get on my back.
What? I would rather die.
Jump on my back.
Nope, I'm gonna die. Put me down! Spencer! Put me down!
You have got to be kidding me!
Oh, no.
We have to jump?
Are you out of your
I
mind?
would literally rather do anything else right now but that.
We gotta jump!
We don't even know how deep that water is.
We gotta go!
No.
Spencer, you're gonna jump!
No, I think I'm having a coronary. I'm having difficulty breathing.
That was the most humiliating moment of my life. Don't you do that again.
I took in a lot of water.
They got me.
Oh, no.
Martha?
Wait, what just happened to her?
Is she dead? Did she die?
Wait a second.
What the hell? It's hell! No! Ow! Get off of my back!
You okay?
I think so.
Goodness gracious, get off!
I'm getting off of you.
Anybody care if I'm okay? What am I, a human landing pad?
That's what I thought. We each have 3 lives, guys. These little tattoos on our arms. Jesus, would you look at the size of that thing?
Spitzer! Huh? You were saying?
It's our life count. Bethany got eaten by a hippo, so now she only has 2 lives.
He's right.
Wait, what happens if we use up all our lives?
Well, usually that would mean game over.
What do you mean game over? Are you saying that we can actually die in here?
I mean, I don't know for sure.
You're not sure? You're not sure, Mr. Video Game Genius?
Well, I've never actually been stuck in one, okay? So I'm not certain. But yes, I'm afraid we all could die. That is my big concern right now.
We better find the missing piece then.
Okay. It looks like there's a village on the other side of this mountain. Maybe that's the bazaar.
Let's do it.
Wait. I gotta take a leak first.
I've been dreading this all day, but so do I. Can I come with you and you show me how it's done? I may need your help.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'll help you out.
So, how do we do this?
Easy. You just, you unzip, take it out, fire away.
Remember to aim. It's very important.
Oh my God, you guys, there's like literally a penis attached to my body right now. Martha, come look at my penis!
No thanks.
What, is this the first that you've seen it?
Yes, I didn't want to look.
I looked at mine within the first 20 seconds of getting here. I'm happy to report that I was able to bring one thing from the outside world. What are you doing? Are you looking?
Sorry.
You don't look over here.
You never look. It's a thing.
Okay, good boy. We're gonna take this nice and slow and nobody's gonna get hurt. Now what?
Blast off.
And aim. Don't forget to aim.
What is with you and the aiming? What happened to you?
Can we not talk about this in mixed company?
Wow. Wow. Wow! Oh, this is so much easier!
It's cool, right?
Yeah, because you have like a handle. The fact that I'm not Instagramming this right now is insane.